I got some pizza for my friends who I'll invite to come. I will invite Guppy Buddy, Star Jesus, MLCG, Ruben Gonzalez, Alex Kane, Canberry, and other friends for Halloween party. I will message them on my computer. I will also ask Alexander, who is already invited, to help me bake some pizza, chicken patty sandwich, crispy fish sandwiches, and waffle fries.
Coast is clear. I am going to blow up the oven and the fridge. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Alexander, can you help me cook some food using the ovens? Sure, I will do it, because I am good at cooking. I will have to cook some food for the Halloween party.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cough cough. Oh my god. It smells so smoky. Why did the fridge in the oven explode all of a sudden while I was doing something I was asked to do? Asher, please come here. What's wrong, Alex? Are you okay? I heard you coughing and I heard a loud boom. Oh my god. My fridge in my oven exploded. I have to get a new one. Come on, Alex. Let's call the appliance associate to get a new oven and a new fridge. Thank you for your idea on the new appliances. Now we got a water dispenser connected, and we also got 2 ovens to bake food in, and now we can prepare the party quicker. You are welcome. Now I will start baking.
Ha 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 ha. I blew up the fridge, and now they had to buy new ones. Ha 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 ha.
John the Troublemaker, how dare you blow up my fridge in my oven? You know that blowing up stuff is not okay. Thanks to you, you made the whole kitchen smell so smoky that my friend Alexander was coughing. He could have died from smoke. You have made me so angry that I turned into a giant. That's it. You have seriously crossed the line big time. I am going to throw you in jail. You are in hot water right now. You are so going to get karma for what you did to us. Asher. Throw.
Wow.
John the Troublemaker, how dare you blow up Asia Midnight Gemstone due to K3's appliances? Thanks to you, he had to get a new one. And now look what you did. You made Asia turn into a giant and you got sent to jail. That's it. You are grounded until Hershey's make colored chocolates. I am so done with you. I will see you when you get out of jail.
What?